Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to unlock or wipe out or completely remove iCloud activation lock links from any iPhone device. It happens sometimes you forgot your screen passcode and you have entered the many times wrong passcode, and due to that it's trap after erasing everything. It's trap on iCloud activation logs. But don't worry, in a case your device is blacklisted, stolen, lost, in each situation you will have to first and foremost access by virtue of iTunes. Let's assess the data by virtue of iTunes. What's the saying, what's the notifying in a cloud data and Apple database server. So C symbol is there. Now it's assessing a data. We will see here what's kind of the especially is coming here. If we tap, if it is not coming, then let's tap on it. It's saying so that iCloud activation logs. This phone was lost here. Enter the Palladium password that's were used to set up this device. This thing is a coming then directly. Don't worry, at your home you can is remove it and directly we can transfer the new Apple ID and password by virtue of especially iTunes. How is it possible? We will see. Second things, immediately we will have to go especially 3U tool and we will have to delete this data that I would like to show you here. Just we will come on a toolbox. In toolbox we will have option crash analysis. Just we will go for inside of all the files we will have to delete. So if we delete this, all the data will be removed from Apple database server. Now, one more things we will have to latest logging browser, etc. These things we will have to clear. So we will have option here, real-time logs. Fines we will clear 4-5 times, not more than 20 times, guys. Let's clear. Let's clear. So till the date of 2 days should be coming. Now see, yes, it is coming. So we'll go for after clearings, make it pass. We'll go for clear once again until the date of 2 days are coming. First, we will back one more times. Firstly, we backed from crash analysis. Second, we backed from the time logs, and the third we will have to clear. That's the imaging PC. Let's go for energy administration. Then we will have to clear all the console data. So where it is, we will see here. It's asking files. We will go with the trial mode. To we will go for here. Let's cancel. We will go for skip the versions. We will go for click on here, and thereupon now we are here. We can see. Now here we'll go for show device console, and there should be no SIM card. Fines. Now we will go for clear. See, here is option. We will cut it from here. We will cut it from it will disturb you 2-3 times. So we will remove this one. We will go for cancel, and once again we will come on here. Let's clear it list 20 times. Fines. It's accumulating. We will clear. Now clear. The see here, guys. Now the firmware, guys, here IPSW that I have already downloaded. I will show you directly. You can download it also, and if you have downloaded from various websites, then no problem at all. One website is www.3u.com, second is ipsw.com, ipsw.beta.com, and Apple itself. So we have done these things. Now we will come on here, REC mode, hit this ones. We will come on here, keep clearing, guys, keep clearing. So nothing is coming now. We will close it. So why this console cleared? Because all the data in a cloud database we have clear. There are two kind of the security. One is a cloud data security, second is Apple data. So both we have done. Now we will tap on a smart flash. Here either we can download this firmware or imports. Go for here, refresh, and go for here. You can download, but right now we will import this that I have kept on my desktop. So we will go for on a desktop 2 we will import. So it has started to verify. Here we will have to select the quick flash mode. This option is very crucial. Don't select the retain user data, because auto selected retaining user data means you will have a problem that we have cleared all the data either from the cloud or Apple data. So will be a retained, then there will be no chances to. So we have select a quick flash mode. We will go for here this one. Here don't select fixed battery during the health. Otherwise, manually you will have to push this device into the DFU once again or reboot once again. So now we can see here all the things happens. Now it's going. So any error will come, so then of course we will try to fix it. Don't worry. Data cable should be a proper good quality, otherwise in the midst of it will disconnect, so then it will go on a Apple logo, guys, like that. Here similar it will. So now relax, wait and watch. Any error will come, so then of course we will try to fix it. Don't worry. And during the flashing, your device may restart the multiple times, guys. So here don't disconnect this device from your PC, otherwise you will have a problem that it will stuck on a Apple logo. So that's why. Now we are waiting on a 34%, but don't worry, it can come in a descending order or ascending order, both, no problem at all. It may restart multiple times, no problem at all. Restart, reboot multiple times. So please relax till it's not notifying any error, guys. So we will wait here, and when 100% is will be completed, then I will show you 2-3 crucial steps on a exact time. We will execute, and without touching on this device, I will show you that yes, how would I transfer the new Apple ID and password. With password, guys, everything we will transfer, and the ID would be a directly transfer. So no need to initial logging and etc etc. Everything will be bypassed. Don't worry, I will show you. Just waiting for it, because it's still writing a file system. Don't worry, it is coming. No any error is still coming, so we will have to wait. Or otherwise, of course, quickly, if you would like to, then go for refresh 2-3 times, so that, because here, sorry, just let me cut it. This, let me cancel. I have taken a big cursor, so that's why actually it's having a little bit problems. If I refresh, then it's coming anything another option. So don't worry, it's coming, guys. So don't look on especially there, because if it is not moving in the ascending or descending order, no problem at all. It's accelerating. It means it's processing, guys. You'll have to wait at least 10 to 20 minutes. Yes, whole procedure will be taken 20 minutes. So timer is going on in front of you. No, a little small bytes will be edited from this tutorial. Directly this will be uploaded. So it is a live. You cannot excuses that it's not functional, guys. Do a similar strategy. Of course, multiple device in a day actually have interlocking 4 5 every day, guys. Yeah. This last device especially that I decided to the Mac especially here today, because a lot of the customer, they are the comics due to that especially, of course, having the problem of for time. So informally, of course, I record this and I would upload on this channel. So but of course we expect from all of you viewers that try to execute a similar. This is accessories. So below 11 iPhones, of course you can apply a similar strategy, but 26 iOS above, especially 12, is applicable. If you are unlocking, yes, if you unlock above, especially 12, then go with the 26.6 beta. Yes, that will be especially much more efficient to unlock. Recently I have uploaded one video. I will give you links. That's video tutorial guideline you will have to follow or confess, and of course you will be able to unlock. The first time you will have a problem to execute step by steps, but don't worry. If you practice, then practice makes the perfects of the people. So now I am on a especially 62%. Let's wait. Two third precaution also I would like to tell you guys. See, we ready for second internet connections because this 3U tool, this is functioning only one in a, yes, Apple data and cloud data. So there should be a good configuration of your internet also. So I have taken a two internet connections. One is especially directly routes and second is especially here this Wi-Fi. So if any error will come, so then quickly we will select the Wi-Fi, and if we select Wi-Fi, so then there will be no chances to have the precise locations. Genuine or genuine means just I'm telling, suppose this phone is basically from the Europe, so then we will have to create the especially precise location of Europe on your PC or laptops, because this is a manual method, guys, not this is a rocket science that directly from the website we are removing. Yes, here is a step by step manual with the help of computer we are doing. So, and we are in front of you guys, everything is doing. So there should be no any chance to suspect this cannot be a functional. Just watch carefully. Something is missing. Some step is missing. That's why you are excusing that it's not going to functional. In front of you, I am here, guys. Just live, you can see here. It's live recorded. Now we have reached on 81%. We will wait here, and then further we will add. See, yes, it's writing a metadata, so I think scarcely it will take a 5 minute hands here. Don't worry. Almost done, guys. Here, yes, it's still 15% or 10% remains, so we will have to wait. See, one thing also I would like to tell you, computer RAM, that should be a good. Now see, directly it has jumps and it has notified us that yellow trick is coming. Congratulations that I have done. So we will have to wait on here batch activation. Within a 20 second, we will have to execute when it will be highlighted. Fans. Yes, this function will skip the setting of the region, language, Wi-Fi, Apple ID, Face ID, Touch ID, everything, guys. So how would we functional by changing internet connections? Maybe if error will comes, or if error will come, so then of course we will use a virtual private network also to make it customized precise location. We have selected within a 20 seconds and we executed this thing. So to be ready for it, guys. Now see, everything in front of you, it has rendered. Now it's activating and the skipping of the whole setup, so we will have to wait here. Yes, be patient, of course, maintain the consistency. We will have to wait a 2 to 5 minutes maybe, and maybe a 30 second or 1 minute. It's totally dependent on cloud data and Apple database server. This is very crucial step here. If any error will comes, then we will change the internet connections and immediately once again we will start to execute these things. However, any error will comes, then of course we will use the virtual private networks to customize the precise location of especially your PC or laptops. By that you are unlocking precise location. What should be especially sales area of any iPhone? Suppose what is the sales area of this iPhones? This iPhone sales area is Hong Kong, so we have the created on especially already on systems that are Hong Kong, so of course you can go for. And database of Hong Kong especially is it's functioning very well, guys, so you can go for no problem at all. But this is the last, yes, steps. Right now we will wait here, let it notify any error, then we will go for. And this configuration is a very crucial, otherwise we cannot unlock. But see here, successfully both has been done, so not required here any configuration. Then we will go for deactivation. Let's say especially select, it's saying no chances, not required now So no problem at all. Now what we will do guys here, just we will go for click on here, select the language, we will go for here, just open especially iTunes to have the good configuration guys, and we'll go for especially select the country, and then we will go for here. So we'll have to select the country where it is. Yes, we will go for here. Now see, before especially starting it's so welcoming guys, means I'm totally sure that this device has been unlocked and there is no links, because after accessing data, see, just I selected the language, everything gone. Do you have any doubt on this that not going to function? If I say, if I tap on a specially setting to click on here, it will ask internet connection. What is the thing that connect to the internet to the sign into your device? If you don't believe guys, then let me show you here. Now you can see what is the sayings, connect to the internet to sign into your device. So it means second thing also I would like to tell you here, if I go for passcode, screening, face ID, everything is disabled. So this is a functioning absolutely very well. You can go for here. Now I have already mentioned to you without touching everything will be here. Now new Apple ID we would like to transfer here. Yes, this can be also possible. We will go for here and we'll go for here account to here. We'll have options to assign in a little bit this computer, a little bit in this hanged maybe, just we will go for here in a sign into we will go for create new Apple ID. Now see here guys, now see, here is option, write any email, password, verify password, go for select term and condition and go for country and go for continue. This ID would be a directly after completing, would be a transfer directly on here. So this is a complete tutorial. But when we insert the SIM card, sometimes SIM card is not going to functional. So if the SIM card is not going to functional, maybe network carrier, so we'll go for a true location. So it's saying the unactivated and etc. Don't worry. Just we will go for here once again, and here it's asking unactivated these things, something the things. Don't worry. Just we will go for here. Now see, no need to files. We have done it. Now here is a activation is having error, but however we have done successfully here. So once again we will go for here, it's a device unactivated and something is just saying, so don't worry. Now if it is not functioning proper way this, then we will come to device reboots and hit this one. So now yes, precise location will be restored on a genuine location and SIM card would be a fully functional guys. Don't worry. If this virtual location is a functioning, that's okay, much more better. If it is not, then of course we can come with a specially reboot of this device. So this will be a fully functional. So this is all about guys. How to like this tutorial. Don't forget, leave feedbacks below the comment box guys. Now directly we came on here hello screen. We can see here. Now it is a see here, everything is fully functional. With the help of jailbreak, if we're doing this or unlocking, then we would be trapping in after restarting once again on a cloud activation lock. But this is absolutely of course and the permanent functional now. So how to like this tutorial, don't forget, and if any comments, any query, then blindly raise the query below the comment box, drop the query in the comment box, replies would be matched to the reply everyone guys. So thank you very much indeed, have a great time guys, bye bye.